Hey everybody, we're going to be doing lesson 19.3 in Math in Focus. We're going to be on page 362. Please make sure you have a paper, pencil, and your math textbook out if you have that. So do that, pause the video if you don't, and go get those things. All right, we are going to be starting. Hit me transition. All right, we are doing 19.3. This unit is going to be on square meters and square feet. It's really, you do the math the same way as the square centimeters and the square inches that we learned about in 19.1 and 19.2. You just have to remember that these are a bigger tile, where a square centimeter is about the size of your thumbnail. A square inch is about the size of maybe the tag on your shirt. A square foot is about the size of this whiteboard. About, except for square would be a little bit longer. And a square meter would be about the size of this table on here, maybe like a good play table or a kid's table you would put in a kitchen, maybe a coffee table, a larger one. Very good. Thinking about the sizes are very different. Look up a little more. Next, so maybe a tabletop is about 1 square meter. So if we were representing it like this, 4 meters this way, 4 meters that way, that would be 4, 8, 12, 16 square meters, or meters squared. Moving up here on the top of page 364, I'm going to zoom in. It's a manual situation. Figure A is made up of how many meters? 1 meter squares. Let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 1, 2, 3, 4. So we find that area by multiplying 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is, yes, 28. All right, 28. You can't see all my fingers when I do that. That's silly. 28 1 meter squares. So if the area of each 1 meter square is 1 square meter, so figure A is 28 square meters. Let's look at figure B. Figure B, we're going to have to count. It's not a perfectly even shape. 1, 2, 3, 4 that we can see, and 2 little half squares make 5. All right, so it says, find the area of figure B. It's 5 meters squared. Which figure has the larger area, figure A or figure B? Obviously, figure A. You could put figure B right inside of figure A and have lots of squares left over. Which 2 figures down here have the same area? Well, let's move this up so you can see it. Whenever we have problems like this, I want you to take your piece of paper or your whiteboard and write down your answers as you go. So for me, P is this one down here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 together there, 7. Q, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 halves make 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to put the units on here in just a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because 2 halves and 2 halves. 4, 5. Now, what unit should go on all of these? Let's look. It's meters. So we're going to put meters squared, meters squared, meters squared, meters squared, right? Remember our unit song. You got to write the unit every single time, especially when you're talking about area and perimeter. Area is two-dimensional. It has a length and a width. Or if you just write meters, it's only one straight line. All right, very good. So the answer to that question, which 2 have the same area? P and R have the same area. Let me move this up. Find the number of square feet that cover a plane surface. It says each side of this floor tile is 1 foot long. So the area of this one floor tile, like you might have in your kitchen or your bathroom or your entryway, something like that, is 1 square foot. 1 square foot. Remember, a foot is the customary system and a meter is the metric system. All right. If you're looking at the difference between a square foot and a square inch, if this was 1 square foot, that would be 1 square inch. So a square foot is much bigger. All right. A 5 foot by 5 foot tile is made up of 25 square feet tiles. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. It says complete. The figures are made up of square and half square tiles. Let's look at number 1, or figure A. Figure A is made up out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 2 times 4, 8 1-foot tiles. The area of each 1-foot tile is 1 square foot. So the area of figure A is 8 square feet. The area of figure B is how many square feet? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 square feet. Which figure has the smaller area? Figure A or figure B? That's right, figure B. We're going to do this practice page. I want you to do 1, 2, and 3, including finding A, B, and C. Pause the video, and then when you're ready, hit play. All right, you should have it ready. Number 1, the area is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 meters squared. Number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then put these two halves together, 11 meters squared. Feet squared, excuse me, feet squared. Gotta look at the units. For number 3, figure A was 2, 4, 6, 7 meters squared. Gotta look at the units. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meters squared. And C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meters squared. So which one has the smallest area? B. Which one has the largest area? A. And which one has an area 1 meter less than figure A? C. Number 7. Okay, I want you to solve number 7 where it says find the area of A, B, and C. Which one's the smallest, which one's the largest, and which one is 2 square feet larger than figure B. I want you to pause it, answer those, and then come check your answers. Okay, A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's best to write them down as you go. A equals 7, and what is the unit? Feet squared. Square feet. B is 1, 2, 3, and 2 halves, 4 feet squared. C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 feet squared. So there's our answers. So for number 8, which figure has the smallest area? B. Which figure has the largest area? A. Which figure has an area 2 feet larger than B, 2 square feet larger than B? C. Very good. All right, so tomorrow we're going to be learning about perimeter and area like I talked about in class last week. So make sure to do your workbook pages for this chapter. All right, comment any questions below.